हर दिन की तरह आज भी मुंबई बारिश में भीग रहा था और हर वीकेंड की तरह इस वीकेंड भी मैं मिहिर का इंतज़ार कर रहा था। Oh, by the way, that's my house up there. Damn, I am getting emotional about leaving it today. More on that later though. इससे पहले कि बारिश की कठोर बूंदें मुझे पूरी तरह से पानी में भिगो देती, मिहिर घर आ पहुंचा और हम अपने आज के अभियान की कामयाबी के लिए निकल पड़े। परंतु मेघ मल्हार ने हमें एक बार फिर से चकमा दे दिया और हम अपनी गाड़ी में कई मिनटों के लिए फंसे रहे। But that changed soon and we could finally step out. Today is also my last day in the city and this is the story of my last day in Mumbai. आज मुंबई में मेरा आखिरी दिन है और आज आखिरी दिन हम आए हैं यहाँ पे फोटोग्राफी के लिए मुंबई के एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग एरिया में। इस एरिया को बोलते हैं हॉर्नीमैन सर्कल because there was once a man so horny that the circle was named after him. That's not true, but I really don't know what's his story. But anyway, here we are, trying to get some interesting architectural shots once again, and it's a good way to say goodbye to Mumbai. हमेशा की तरह बहुत बारिश हो रही है, but that's okay. We can survive through this. As it turns out, Mr. Horniman और Mr. Benjamin Horniman, जिनके नाम पे इस सर्कल और इस गार्डन का नाम रखा गया था, he was the editor of a newspaper called Mumbai Chronicles. He also supported India's freedom movement. Okay, so maybe that could be one of the reasons कि इस गार्डन और इस सर्कल का नाम आज़ादी के बाद भी बदला नहीं गया, जैसे कि कई और जगहों का बदल दिया गया है. Because he was actually a friend of India. Nice to be here and nice to know about him. Thanks to Google. So next for our photography is actually this really iconic place, which is one of the most popular with wedding, pre-wedding photographers as well as Instagrammers. It's called the Asiatic Library. अब इसको Asiatic Library क्यों कहते हैं? So Asian Studies के लिए library थी, इसलिए इसका नाम Asiatic Library है. I'm not quite sure if you can go inside and actually still read these books, but this is a pretty old building. It was established in 1804. Not sure when the building came up, but the library and the society, the literary society that used to be, in place of it earlier, it came up a long time back. One of the things that absolutely never ceases to amaze me about Mumbai is how beautiful it is. Despite all the chaos, इतना हल्ला गुल्ला भीड़ भाड़ सबके बावजूद मुंबई इतनी सुंदर जगह है. Architecturally yes, but also people-wise. There's so much beauty around here. Let me show you what I'm clicking right now. Nothing special, but just the last day, so it is a special day. Behind me you will see the office of Bombay समाचार और मुंबई समाचार. इसकी स्थापना की गई थी 1822 में बाय गुजराती जेंटलमैन और तब से ये अभी तक छपता आ रहा है. So this is the oldest continuously published newspaper in India. That's a big deal. So now you can still get the newspaper actually. I didn't know this and my friend told me just now. You can buy it in English or in Gujarati. So behind me is the printing press as well as their office. It's crazy there's a printing press in town, in one of the most expensive possible real estate locations in the city. But there is one and you can still buy their newspapers. So apart from Horniman Circle or Horniman Garden, इस एरिया का एक दूसरा नाम भी है Elphinstone Circle. Again named after another British guy who was again a nice chap. Maybe that's one of the reasons why these names have not been changed in this whole area. They still have a lot of British names. Let's walk around and find something else. So what you see right behind me is St. Thomas Cathedral. ये भी Horniman Circle पे located है. It is closed like most other churches and most other places of worship. So अभी हम वीटी के पास आए हैं. This place is a heaven if you are a photographer. Lot of equipment, sellers. You can get first hand, second hand, all kinds of camera gear. Obviously it's a little noisy as well. So basically मिहिर ने अपनी एक पुरानी फिल्म खोजी और उसे डेवलप करने के लिए यहाँ पे दिया है. So we are here to find a milkman who has that film, and then we'll head back home.
We'll have to find them.
How will you find them?
He said the shop, the dairy is behind the shop, so we have to go around.
So मिहिर को उसके प्रिंट्स मिल गए. आज की फोटोग्राफी हो गई. आखिरी दिन भी ख़त्म होने वाला है थोड़ी सी देर में. Time to head back home and do the final last leg of packing, and then wait for movers and packers. So bye for now, and see you in a different city.